Hello, YouTube. This is J Coder back with another stream, and today I am working on the next part of the app where we will have the DALLE-3 image AI image being generated from the OpenAI API. And if you like this kind of thing, subscribe to the channel, comment on this video, and like. And let's go ahead and get started here. And so, where we left off is we are close to finish. However, I just need to do some debugging with these compilation errors. And so that's what I'm going to be doing now, is tackling these errors. So, okay, so when we left off, we have this type mismatch. Infer type is AIIG view model, but view model was expected. And so I gotta make sure that my imports are correct here. So I have the import right here. Let me just go ahead and run this just to make sure that the error is occurring. Okay, so type mismatch, AA view model, but view model was expected. And so we have this, and we should have our view AIG view model inside our view model folder. And so yeah, we have the package there, and then this should be imported as type view model, because it's inheriting from view model, and so it may not have had the correct import there. Let me check this. Import the live data as well, and then do we have okay, so let's go ahead and see. Let me go ahead and delete that guy right there, and let me go ahead and check to see if that worked. All right, and so our next error is our results for that and everything. Let me check really quick. So that's in our main, and so observer state. So let me check if I have this imported. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that here. Then I'm going to go ahead and see if that's imported. Okay, that's not imported, so let's go ahead and try that. Okay, and it says unresolved reference live data, and then okay, so unresolved reference live data. Let's see, I may need some special Gradle imports for the live data. Let me check something. Live data. Let me see. Just 1 second here. And for the included import. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this guy. So I need a live data dependency, or I'm sorry, implementation. So I'm going to go ahead and put it here. And so now, since I have that, I'm going to sync that to see if that works. So, all right, so we needed to include this Android X Compose runtime live data inside our actual module Gradle. And now let's go ahead and try to play it. Okay, and now it is saying type state response data has no method get value, and thus it cannot serve as a delegate. Okay, so okay, over here, do I have? Sorry. Then let me see. Okay, I think I have to import something here. I imported lazy dot items. Let's see if that works. Unresolved message Moshi. And so yeah, I have to make sure the correct imports are imported. Such as Moshi. Alright, let's try that. Okay. Complaining about this. And what is this? Gotta make sure, was this retro fit builder? Gotta make sure all of that is imported correctly. And that is where? Let me see. This is in retrofit, so I'm gonna make sure that's imported. So the retrofit stuff. Retrofit. Okay, let's try it now. Okay, post. Inside our view model. Then inside our, I'm sorry, not view model. This is our API service. Then inside our API service, I gotta make sure I have the right things imported as well. And so the retrofit post. Okay, let's try it now. And then we probably also need retrofit body. Then we need response data. Which is pretty much this. Response data. All right, let's try that. Okay, it is actually running. And let's see what this does. Let me see if I can switch the screen real quick. Let me see. Did it run? Let me see. Oh yeah. Uh, I just remembered something that I need to do. I need to add my API key. While I add my API key, I'm going to switch over the screen. Then let me go ahead and switch over the screen here. That's going to be the emulator. Okay. And then inside the emulator, we will do my API key. And make sure you have your own API key inside your retrofit instance so that it will work. And yeah, guys, it's important that all the correct imports are imported, or you might have some tricky issues. Okay, so I am running the application, and let's see what happens. Okay, we got a crash even after I added my API key. And let me try to go back and see what the crash exactly was. Just bear with me one moment. Oh, it says that internet permission denied. And when you have a new project, let me go ahead and switch back the screen here real quick. So I'm going back to my OBS. Then I'm going to switch back the screen to the DALLE. Where are you at here? The DALLE-3 Android Studio. And then, as you can see there, it's saying permission denied, internet permission missing. So in order to fix that, we will need to go to our Android manifest, and then inside our Android manifest, we will add the necessary permission. So let us go back to here, and then let's add the permission here. All right, and then let us go ahead and try it this time. Let me go ahead and switch back over to the emulator. The emulator. Android emulator. Okay. And then let us go ahead and try that. I'm going to go ahead and run it. Okay. All right. Yes, we got it to work. Awesome. So, yeah, that's the code that we needed to do to get the image data. And so, yeah, so the prompt I actually entered for that one was beautiful mountains with a yellow sky. And so I got this image, which awesome. All right. So that was our end goal. I'm going to go ahead and share the source code on GitHub so that you can download and try it for yourself. And so, yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys for today. And that includes our three-parter for building this demonstration. I hope you guys liked it. And as always, subscribe to this channel. And I, as always, I want to wish you to stay coding. All right, peace.